Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Bybit Rewards. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, if you're wondering how do you start using your Bybit Rewards, well, it's actually pretty easy, but first thing we need to do here is we need to go to bybit.com, log in into your account, and once you're logged in, we're now ready to view our rewards. Now at the top right here, usually you have your profile icon. Let's go ahead and hover over it, and you should be able to see the following options. In this case, you choose the option that says My Rewards. Now once you click on My Rewards, it should redirect you to the My Rewards section. So in this case, you'll be able to see all the rewards that you have in your account in this section. In this case, if you don't see any yet, it means that you have to do one of the tasks that is available or the task that is available right now. Now, it depends on the current season, so sometimes there's going to be some task, and sometimes there won't be any tasks. So in this case, just complete any task that you will see here, and once you've completed the task, you should be able to start claiming rewards in this section here. Now, if you do have rewards in this page here, what you need to do is you just need to click on the use button next to the reward itself, and that will redirect you to the charting page or the trading view section. Then from then on, you should be able to start trading using that specific reward or voucher. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.